Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck, back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Guys, welcome back. Man, how you guys feeling right now? I know the market looking pretty bad, but just you gotta go through the storms, guys. Today, man, we're gonna discuss some how Anchorage raises $350 million, and the CEO think big banks is gonna be offering crypto inside 2022. We're also gonna discuss how and the reason why I am still bullish on Bitcoin. All right, so guys, man, we about to get everything started. We'll get everything locked in, ready to go. Make sure you guys follow us on our socials as well. Right below, follow us on all of our socials, guys. On TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. We do different stuff. I like to put up different different things. In regards to on Twitter and TikTok what I'm buying right now. So you guys don't want to miss that. All right. But man, let's get right into it. Man, so it says Anchorage raises $350 million and the CEO think big banks will offer crypto in 2022. No, he didn't say he think. He says it will, basically. You know what I'm saying? So let's look at the charts real quick, guys. Bitcoin currently at $47,000, basically $47,000. We're down 2.74% for the day. We're down 6.42% for the week, 25% for the month. This is supposed to be a bearish month for Bitcoin, right? I mean, a bullish month for Bitcoin. But, the bears took control this month. But we'll see. We have our Santa rally. So we're looking at it right now. Everything is telling us to sell. For the 1 day, short term, 4 hours, sell, strong sell. And that is the reason. I believe so. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I think it's telling us to sell is because we have the Federal Reserve is expected to take the talk today. Fed Chair Powell is going to be talking today. Jerome is in the house. Jerome Powell, I said Jerome in the house. So he'll be coming in speaking about 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So I told everyone inside Crypto Black yesterday, sit tight, hold tight, don't jump inside anything. Don't try to outsmart the market. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure, you guys just sit tight and hold off right now, okay? So, that's what we're going to be talking about right now. Let me make sure I'm streaming. Yep, I'm streaming good. All right. So, hold on tight, guys. Don't jump inside anything right now. Let's wait and see, what they say. Now, if I was a betting man, I think it'll be. I'm going with the story right here. I think the Fed they'll be raising the hike. They'll be hiking the rates. It's going to cause a little bit. I think Bitcoin could be priced in. Crypto could be priced in right now. Because a lot of people are expecting them to raise the rates, but the markets don't like uncertainty, so they don't know. So on news days, especially Wednesdays, like they call it Wacky Wednesdays, we like to just sit back and chill and relax until we figure out what's going on. The markets love certainty and they hate uncertainty. All right. So that's going on with the, even with the equities market. Bonds was up this morning. I wake up this morning, I see bond. I'm like, before I open it up, like, yeah, I bet you bonds is green. Open it up, bonds is green across the board. So those type of things I like to look out for. But yeah, guys. So, sit back and relax. Wait until about 2:00. They're saying that the, Federal Reserve is expected to announce more rapid transition. It could be actually opening taper, raising the rates and ending the date to March instead of June. So the taper supposed to be back by next summer, but it could start it as early as pulling back as early as March. You know what I mean? So, it's something that you want to look out for, all right? So let's just see how it plays out. But the market, I would say, if you're gonna be having if you're leveraging, you're doing long or shorts, just have your, wait for 2:00. Wait for 2:00. That's less than an hour from now, and we'll see exactly, what the decision is going to be, and you put your long and your short in then, because you're going to have a movement. You have a movement in the market, and you're going to be able. That's how we capitalize off of a movement. If it's going to be up or down, and we can make money regardless the market goes up or down. And everybody will be sitting there next to the computers ready to place an order for long or short based upon this news here. All right, so let's get right into it. So it says Anchorage has expanded from a niche custody provider to a major crypto player with deep relationships with banks. Now, so Anchorage, the fast-growing crypto storage firm that obtained a federal bank charter in January, announced it has raised $350 million from the asset management giant KKR, Goldman Sachs, and others. The Series D round values the company at just over $3 billion. In an interview with Decrypt, Anchorage CEO Diego Monica said the company would use the Series D funding in part to assist in clients, which include big banks and corporations, as they expand their crypto offerings. Now, so institutions begin to build products in 2020 that will come to market in mid to late 2022, said Monica, predicting that banks will begin to offer crypto offerings such as the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin to their customers starting next year. If this comes to pass, it would be a boon to Anchorage, which probably a boom to Anchorage, which has leveraged the federal bank charter it attained to win contracts with banks and financial giants like Visa. Such contracts begin as custody arrangements where Anchorage stored digital assets, but have increasingly came to include services like staking, in which asset holders lock up coins and tokens in return for rewards. I love staking. Everybody know me. I love staking. So it says, according to Diego, custody now makes up less than 50% of his revenue, and his staking and lending businesses continue to expand. Yeah, because people want to make money on their money and beat inflation. Diego predicts new lines of business will emerge for Anchorage as banks seek to offer products like DeFi-based yield offerings. The company also benefited from the growing range of crypto assets that institutions are looking to park with Anchorage. Those include NFTs, including a handful of CryptoPunks that is holding in custody for Visa and others. I'm telling you, they doing their thing. Anchorage customer base has also expanded from private institutions to government agencies. In the last year, the company has added the FDIC and U.S. Marshal Services to its custody clients. So, U.S., the marshals come and steal people crypto and then they go and then make money off of it on DeFi. So Anchorage says it has no plans to follow the example of crypto firms like Coinbase and Robinhood and conduct the initial public offering. According to Monica, the company's balance sheet is in very good shape. Anchorage has yet to touch an earlier $80 million it raised in February. You got some money, man. You got some money. You got $80 million in February. You ain't even touch it yet. Now, and the new Series D will provide both a capital cushion and key strategic partners. In addition to KKR and Goldman Sachs, investors in the Series D round include Alameda Research, Andrew Horowitz, BlackRock, Blockchain, Kraken, and PayPal Ventures. So, they got some heavy hitters over there. So Anchorage is something that you want to be looking into. For the institutional side, for the people that, to say, I just don't want to, I'm not into holding my own crypto, my own keys. I need somebody to hold it for me. I don't trust myself. It looks like Anchorage is doing their thing over there. Also good in the DeFi. It's just gonna make DeFi, DeFi and staking just getting bigger and bigger and better and better. And it beats inflation. You look up and you say inflation is 6.2%. You know what I mean? You look at DeFi, you say I can put it in a stable coin and make 11, 12%. I'm beating inflation. I'm beating inflation by a lot. You know what I mean? So that's just put it in the stable coin. Let alone, put inside, Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that. Whereas, it's growing rapidly. Binance is up, over, I think, like 1,300% year to date. So just imagine you put the Binance coin in there and, you're staking that and you're getting, say, 4 or 5% on top of the, 1,300% that you're already up. So that's something right there, you want to think about and look at, for the future. But that's if, you're not into holding your own keys. Me personally, I think everybody should have their own keys. But it's a lot of people that's not going to, they rather have their stuff have have their crypto with a custodian. So, and I can't, I can't, whatever you want to do is what you want to do. I can't make anybody do anything. Is how you're comfortable. It's all I care about. As long as you're comfortable and you're in a space, you're not getting beat up by inflation. Now let's jump inside it. This is why I'm bullish on Bitcoin, guys. This is why I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now. This is why I don't think the market is over. So I think we're just getting started. I think we hit a double. A double bottom, hit a double top. Everybody hit a double bottom, but I think we about to run back up. I think this right here shows. All right, and this right here. So it says, despite recent downtrend, Bitcoin net flows largely remain negative. All right. So the data shows that despite the recent downtrend in the price of Bitcoin exchange, net flows have largely remained negative. Bitcoin exchange outflows dominate over inflows. As per the latest weekly report from Glassnode, Bitcoin net flows have been mostly negative in the past couple of months. And guys, I tweeted this out as well. So, if you didn't notice, then follow me on Twitter right below, guys. Even though the price has been trending downwards in the period. Now, so the all exchanges net flow is an on-chain indicator that measures the net amount of coins flowing into or out of exchanges and the direction of this movement. The metric's value is calculated by taking the difference between the inflows and the outflows. If the net flow has positive values, it means that the inflows are currently dominating the outflows as investors are depositing a net amount of coins to exchange wallets. Meaning, guys, that if more coins is going to the exchange, let's just say Coinbase, for example, if more Bitcoin is going to an exchange versus going out of Coin, so going into Coinbase versus coming out of Coinbase into private wallets, that's what they're saying for as the net flows, for as the inflow is inflowing into Coinbase instead of out, right? It means more is coming in. And that's usually an indication that people are ready to sell. So it says, investors usually send their coins to exchanges for withdrawing the fiat or for purchasing altcoins. Therefore, such a trend, if sustained for some time, can be bearish for the coin's price. Exactly. So it says, on the other hand, if the indicator has negative values, it implies that the outflows are overwhelming the inflows at the moment. Meaning, guys, that more coins is coming out of Coinbase, for example. This Coinbase is one. Coming out of Coinbase in the private wallets, and that means less people are selling because less coins and the price can go up because there's less people selling because all the coins are coming out of, for example, Coinbase into people's private wallets. All right, so it says over a period of time, this trend can mean that holders are accumulating BTC as they are withdrawing a net amount of coins. Naturally, this can prove to be bullish for crypto. Very bullish. Now, here's a chart that shows the trend of BTC net flows over the past year. You guys see when we had that big dump back in May, you see right here, a ton of inflows went into the exchanges, and we had that big dump and for months. Remember, guys, for months. And well, about this time around here, we see the net flows, the dominance, the net flows is outflows. So a lot of coins, a lot of Bitcoins coming out of the market right now, out of the regular market in regards to off the exchanges in the private wallets. So this is why I'm so bullish. I'm telling you, this is why I'm so bullish. And you have a lot of institutions coming in, but they're buying OTC, which is over the counter, right? But you guys are going to see. What you guys are going to see. This is quite different from the May crash where the indicator had highly positive values for a while. Inflows dominated the outflows. This showed that while the market sold during the fourth December crash, a demand for Bitcoin has still been quite strong as the highly negative net flows would suggest. The BTC price that says at the time of writing, Bitcoin price floats around 47,000, down 7%. The below chart shows the trend of the coins over the last 5 days. Yeah, we all know that. Over the last few days, Bitcoin has mostly consolidated to 45 to 50,000 at the moment. So, however, the net flows or anything to go by, the coin price may be bullish for the long term. Yes, short term right now, guys. Like I said, I think it'll be a short term with the Fed chair I think they're going up on rates. Short term, you might see the market go down a little bit more. That's why I told people to sit sideline. But we're gonna see. We might go down. We go down to 44,000, but we got to close above 48. We didn't close above 48 on Monday. Yesterday we did close above 48. But we got to get above 48 again. We got to close above 48,000. All right, that's the key. Closing above and then still moving up. But we're still seeing some pressure. Not a whole lot of selling volume, but it's getting up there. But we got to see. We're going to see how it looks at 2 o'clock when Fed Chair Jerome Powell, when Jerome come in the house. All right. And, and then talk about, what's going on and what the Fed decision is going to be. But guys, what I'm saying, and I'm telling you right now, don't try to outsmart the market. You will get your butt spanked when you try to outsmart the market or try to outtime the market. Just wait for the market to tell you what they want to do. Always wait for the market to tell you what they want to do before you hop in, because I'm telling you, unless you're accumulating, you say, you know what, it doesn't matter, I'm accumulating regardless, then there you go. That's your coins you want to buy. You say, I'm going to buy $100 every 2 weeks. If your $100 is every Wednesday at 2 o'clock or every Wednesday at 12 o'clock, you can keep doing that. I would say bend the rules a little bit. Wait till about 2:30 to do it. But, that's your advice. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. But what I'm saying, I would say hold tight. For my traders out there, hold tight. I know you got an itch you need to scratch. You want to trade. Doesn't matter. Hold tight. Let's wait and see what the decision is going to be, because this is out of your control. All right. So you think, okay, yeah, I'm going to buy right and it's going to go right up. I'm going to buy right now and I'll be right there. Why take that risk of buying it at 170, thinking, okay, yeah, then I can sell that 54,000, you know what I mean? Something like that. And it goes down to 44 and then you got to wait. So let's just wait first and then see what direction it move, because if you right there and then start making this move, based on decision, you just put the order in then. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, guys, that's about it for the day. Also, guys, make sure you visit our website, cryptoblack.net. And if you guys haven't already, we got the Mastermind Report, where click the link below in the description box, where you actually can get the Mastermind Report and see exactly what report I use to trade every single month. With the coins, to buy for the month, historical data, a ton of stuff, a ton of different things, man, the Mastermind Report. And also, everybody that already the Mastermind Report, that does have the Mastermind Report, has my link. You're going to actually be inside my Telegram. I actually start in 2022, and we're going to have a weekly call going over the report. Just for the week, what coins we're buying, and we're gonna be in the Telegram in the chat, chopping it up, man, talking and chopping it up, having a good time, and you have a little bit more access to me directly. I'm not gonna be here all day. I'm telling you right now. I got a lifestyle I live. I'm just playing, but we're gonna be able to chop it up, so it'll be more, more smaller setting. But yeah, guys. So like I said, if you're already in you have the Mastermind Report, you're going to be grandfathered in, don't worry about that. Also, if you have the Mastermind Report, or you're in the Mastermind Report group, then also you're going to have our beginner's course. You're going to be brought over to our Facebook page, and you'll have the beginner's course. That's the beginner's course that we have on the website. You guys going to have access to the beginner's course by that. So the beginner course is going to be free for you. You get that automatically, okay? If you already have the Mastermind Report and you're on Crypto Black, you know me, then you're going to actually get grandfathered in. So don't worry about that. You're going to be brought in. So, but anybody that do want to get, a lot of people want to know, man, how you know these coins, these plays and stuff like that. You're going to be in a Telegram. You're going to have that report. You're going to be ready to go. So, and the report speaks for itself. I'm not here. I'm not selling. I don't sell the report. The report sells itself, and we're gonna make money off of it regardless. So, but yeah, guys, let me see real quick. So we all set. We're all ready to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck, here to be Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.